smashed Italian sausage.
Ooh, close.
Burgers?
Italians smashed.
Do you know?
And take a look at that.
Let's give it a try.
Welcome back, everybody. We're down here in Florida hanging out with the Griddle Pros, having a good time. I'm actually cooking in Nate's backyard. And I've got a new one for you today. This is a smashed Italian sausage sandwich. Start out with mild Italian sausage. I'm gonna eyeball these somewhere in that 3.5 to 4 ounce range. I think this will work out pretty good. Usually do smashburgers with ground beef, with ground chuck, but we'll try something different today because we want to show off Blackstone's brand new smash burger press with a splash guard.
Splash guard? Where? Show me. Oh, that's a splash.
So yeah, in place of wax paper, parchment paper, it's a silicone, food safe, BPA free, all that good stuff, splash guard, and a new kind of redesigned smash burger press. Has a little curved handle on there. Over to the Blackstone. We're gonna go high heat always at the beginning for smash burgers. Like to go hot and heavy. Olive oil down on the griddle top. You can see it's smoking hot. Gonna go down with those meatballs. Want to, we could actually hit them up with a little extra olive oil, and we should be able to test out that silicone splash guard. Straight down on top, down with the press, and let's see what happens. There we go. Nice, look at that. I think the benefit of this over wax paper is wax paper works great, but really messy, you know, kind of wet, drippy. And if you're doing a lot of smash burgers, like if you're doing them for a party and you got 20 on there, you kind of have to keep replacing it every 4 or 5 patties. So reusable, works out great.
I gotta stoke my fire. Did y'all see this? We cooked on this earlier.
Hungry hussy, everybody.
I'm going to cook later on.
Put it here.
Yes, sir. And I need to add a little bit more wood.
What did we make earlier, hussy?
Big old thick pork chops.
You gotta,
balsamic glaze.
You gotta watch
Super
it.
good on the open fire.
So delicious.
So fun to cook on.
Oh man.
Sorry to interrupt.
No, he was a
Take care,
lifesaver.
buddy.
Came onto the set, the master of the open fire. Watch it. So down with a little bit of mayo. Gonna go in with a little bit of lemon juice in there. Yeah, like that. Maybe a pinch of salt. Some of that Blackstone Tuscan Herb as well. Mix that up. So beautiful lemon mayo. Ready to rock. Brioche buns.
Is it always brioche?
Yeah, I like to use brioche. This nice shiny top. You know, I don't have anything against eating the other types of buns, but look at that. They look gorgeous, glistening in the sun. They always look perfect. So, you know, in the business we're in, kind of showing off Blackstone Griddles, we want things to look good. I mean, it's hard to beat a brioche bun. My goodness. A little bit of mayo or a little bit of butter inside because we'll toast those up. And we're gonna run straight over to the griddle because I'm sure those patties are ready to be flipped. Hopefully they're not burning. Let's see what we got going on. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Straight down there on the side of the griddle top. Got to be quick with those buns. Check them. You don't want to burn them. Grab some mozzarella cheese. This is like a whole milk mozzarella that we use for making pizzas a lot. So I think we'll get some slices of that ready. Come over to the buns. Look at that. Ready to go. Basil. We're going to go ahead and grab a little bit of fresh basil. Slice that up. Looks absolutely beautiful. Sprinkle a little bit of basil on there. Go down with our slices of mozzarella. Grab a little bit of water. Down with the baking cover. About 45 seconds. Let's check it out. Down with the buns. Absolutely beautiful. That smashburger press did the trick. Fresh slice of tomato or two on top. Another kiss of the mayo dust for CJ. And we are ready to go on with the crown. And take a look at that. Hussy.
Feeling a little hungry.
My friend
Yeah,
James
sounds
Brace,
amazing.
all the way from England. What do you say we get in here and cut one of these in two?
We look like his bodyguard.
What do you think?
It's like Todd got in some trouble down here in Florida and needs some help.
When you reach this level of griddling, you bring in the big dogs.
Yeah.
Oh man. Let's check those out. Look at that.
I ain't mad at it.
Goodness. How do you feel about that?
I think it looks great, Todd. You did a great job. I like that smash, that caramelization right there.
Man, look at that.
Got a good contact patch on that, friend. Well, I tell you what, I want to quarter mine.
You get a quarter.
Yeah.
You
we
got-
got some other folks.
You're
James?
gauging yourself.
Yeah,
Chin.
yeah.
Here we go. Toast.
Cheers.
Let's give it a try.
I like it.
That's amazing.
The crust on that sausage,
Yeah.
fantabulous. The freshness of that basil, the tomato.
That sauce.
I dig it, Todd.
You like brioche on there? Oh,
I'll
that's
go
good.
for
I'm a brioche fan. I'm a brioche
Yeah?
fan. I like it.
Mm.
I say it's pretty good, Todd. You want to bring us home?
Sometimes just a smash burger
Yeah.
with just a patty and cheese and mustard is all you need,
All day
right?
long.
You knocked it out fast.
Bam.
We sat here and watched it.
Easy peasy. You can pick up that brand new Blackstone Smash Burger Press and Splash Guard at Walmart, walmart.com. Big shout out to my buddy James, Mad Hussy. You're gonna see them guest starring in my videos and vice versa all week here in Florida. We'll get the recipe up at blackstoneproducts.com. Please give us a thumbs up, a like, bell notification icon, all that good stuff. And check out their shows on the Blackstone Network, including Blackstone UK.
That's right. Be good, do good.
Right there. So until next time, Todd, Mad Hussy, James, praise the Lord and pass.
Smashed Italian sausage
Ooh, close.
burgers.
Italians smashed.
Do you know?
Smashed? What did I call it? Smashed Italian sausage sandwich. There we go. Smashed Italian sausage sandwich.